welcome back to my video blog. So a few things have happened that people are asking about. The Federal Reserve has raised interest rates. So the federal funds rate, which is not mortgage rates, that's the rate that banks use to lend from each other. So it could affect certain loans, could affect car loans are tied to what's called prime rate, credit card loans, those types of things. Mortgage rates are determined more by the marketplace. So as of today, I just called one of our good mortgage lenders. Rates are around 4.25%, which is still very good, all right? So people are worried about mortgage rates, the raise in the Fed. It was pretty innocuous, and quite honestly, the raise they made was pretty minor and already had been anticipated by the markets. So there's not a real big change in interest rates. 4.25% is still a pretty good rate. And again, don't quote me on that. That's if you have to talk to your lenders based on how much you put down, what your credit score is, a lot of variables. So that is definitely something that's on people's minds, but I don't think I'd be too concerned about it. Also, I want to let you know, people are asking, why is it taking so long to close my escrow? Well, here in San Luis Obispo County, we have the Central Coast Regional Multiple Listing Service, and we have this computer service that provides all the information that realtors and appraisers use to get information about houses, market homes, and so forth. We have just gone through a major overhaul, so it's kind of like when you have your phone and they change the operating system, all the buttons are in different places, they have different meanings, and multiply that times 10. So what's happened is we have homes that are in escrow and appraisers are calling us because they can't find recent sales. The data they had before has a different location. How do you find it? When we're trying to input a listing now, it takes 3 times as much information. So there's a learning curve that we're all going through. So if you're in escrow now or you're about to go into escrow, it could take a little bit longer. If your home is going on the market, some of the agents were having a hard time finding, is this how we find the new listings? Is this how we find the price changes? What's the status? So almost going back to the good old days where we didn't have a computer, it's just like we had listings in a book and we had to call each other and talk to each other. Is that bad? I don't know. We still do that a lot. But at the end of the day, there's a couple of things going on. One, we've had that slight increase in the federal funds rate, which has not really affected mortgage rates very much at all. And then secondly, this new multiple listing service, which hopefully over time will be a benefit to consumers. Right now, there's a little bit of a lag time anytime you go through a major switch. Either way, what's happening in this marketplace, in this county, is still a very, very strong, very healthy market. Probably one of the better starts I've seen in the first 3 months of the year. Obviously, if you have any questions, call us, 781-3750. We'll look forward to speaking to you soon.